blunts in the Hellcat, they count that as a crime. Okay, meet me at the red light, I'ma hit it when it's lime. Okay, I'ma be the first person to cross that checker line. Better watch your step or you gon' meet the other side. Heard that boy, he was a rat, the hood where he reside. I'ma keep my distance, can't get caught up with the lies. If you with the gang, I'ma split it like a pie.
I ain't gonna lie.
What's up, YouTube? What's up, 100% gang? Welcome back to the channel. Hope everybody having a good day. You already know how I started off, but you know what I'm saying, today a good day, man. Today a special day. I told y'all I was finna be doing a little bit more mods soon, so you feel me. And today a surprise. I'm not gonna let you know what's going on until I pull up, you feel me. But just know it is a performance mod. Like, this is actually a performance mod. It's something I've been wanting to do for a long time. I just found dude on Instagram. I'm gonna shout him out as well too. So actually, let me see what his Instagram name is right now. Yeah, it's called Murd Out Garage. His Instagram name is Murd Out Garage. So shout out to him. But we finna see what kind of work he do type shit. But that's, you know what I'm saying, I'm gonna tell y'all more when I get there. But yeah, that's the plan for today, man. It's about like a 30-minute ride. So I'm finna just go over and get some gas. And then I'm finna head over there. And then, you feel me, we're gonna be back FaceTime. Hey everybody, I done made it, like I said. And you know what I'm saying, I told everybody I got a surprise. You know what I'm saying, my boy got the whips out here too, you know what I'm saying. This is Weiss right here, that big clean, 5'7" gang. Yours a 5'7" too? Yes sir, 5'7" gang, I like that. Ooh, you zooming in on that puppy. That big clean, I like it. Yes sir, so y'all boys know what's going on. Your boy about to hook me up. I'm gonna most definitely drop his info in the link. So all of it gonna be in there if y'all need to get it done. But yeah, man, we getting this throttle body ported, bro. No kizzy. So, like I said, you know, I've been doing other things. I said I'm gonna just start doing a little bit more mods to the car, getting it where I really need to get it. You know what I'm saying? It's time to really get serious. It's a fucking horsefly trying to get me. But yeah, man, y'all know what's going on. Ooh. Yes sir, my boy finna hook it up. Yeah. So yeah, man, I ain't really trying to do too much talking, but y'all know what's going on. Yeah, man. Colors are definitely next. I really want to forge it out.
Force it out?
Yeah, man. I don't know, man. I don't know. It's like, there's so many options you could go with, but it's like they all, I don't know. It's just money. Yeah, that shit a little hot.
It's just too hot.
Ooh. Yeah, I think I need to buy a new. I need to buy a new one of these.
New filter?
Yes, the whole setup. I want a whole new air setup because I went a little cheap with that too.
Get a close box.
Yeah.
Because this is
trash. I need to clean this. Yeah.
This is trash, bro. Because you're basically sucking in hot air from the motor.
Yeah.
You just lose it before.
Yeah. And I was told that like I was doing some research and they was saying that shit. The stock air box is low-key better than these.
Yeah.
Like they work better.
They're better. Yeah.
So that's why I still got mine at the house right now. I just been like contemplating because I'm like, damn, that means I gotta look for the rest of these parts. I don't know if I still got them. Shit.
The one I recommend you to get, but it's pricey. It's the GT Momento. It's a close box. But it's like
$400, ain't it?
Yeah.
Yeah, I know exactly what you're
It's just like the stock airbox but bigger.
Yeah, that thing. Ooh, that thing dirty too.
I'm gonna get my material to do the manifold. I'm gonna start porting that too.
Yeah, man. I need like we was talking about. I need a new manifold. I'm gonna get a 6-fold before I port that motherfucker out.
My friend dropped off his. It's in the house.
You talking about? He got a red one.
There he is.
I don't know his name, but I follow him on Instagram. That's how I found you though.
Oh, I think he had posted it.
Yeah, I found him. I found you through him, cause I had followed him.
Okay.
What's up? What's up?
What's up with me?
Alright, y'all, so my dog just got done doing what he do, you know what I'm saying? And we got that shit ported, bro. I'm so ready to see what this bitch do, no cap. I wanna get this bitch done for a long time. There we go, man. This bitch all nice and boy, that y'all should, bro. I'm finna put the before and after too, man. That shit crazy. Yeah. We about to put this bitch on. You know what I'm saying? Do a little driving clip, all that. You know. So we also got a meet going tonight. So y'all stay tuned for that, bro. We got 5-7 game, bro. Y'all know what time it is, bro. Yeah. So what's up? It's a little dog. Yeah. About to put this thing going, man. Well, we got another RT right here. I don't want to put people's cars. There you go. That bit nice though. That bit sitting real low. You said she got a 2-inch drop.
Yeah.
That bitch look nasty, man. Fuck. For real. Yeah. Yeah, almost look like she on bags for a second. This is clean.
They go her sister.
Oh, right here?
Right behind this white car.
Oh, damn, right here. Okay, damn. So y'all just pulling up, bro. Y'all be going crazy out here, I see. Yes, sir. We got another 5.7. Then we got she got 5.7 too? Yeah. Bro, that's crazy. I ain't never seen so many 5.7s in my life, bro. I fuck with that. Damn. Hell yeah, man. Y'all know what time it is. Stop sleeping on the 5.7s, bro. For real. Yeah, especially, man. I had met a dude out there in Texas. He was beating scats with his RT. No cap. He had the engine forged and shit though. But I mean everything else was just normal though. He had the 8-speed, but he had a 309 diff cam. He might have had his bigger throttle body, but other than that, he was moving, man.
You talking about Bloody Hulk?
Oh no, I don't know his name.
He used to live here and then he went to Texas.
No, I met him out there last year. I met him out there last year.
Red Charger?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, that's my boy.
Really?
Yeah.
Damn, that's crazy as hell.
That's my boy.